உயிரோடுக்காரமா ஒருத்தர் போங்க, சீக்கிரம் போங்க, சீக்கிரம் போங்க. உயிரோடுக்கா கஷ்டம் தான். ஸ்ட்ரெச்சர் लीक हो रहा है. गैस लीक है जगह ना देने प्रॉब्लम है.
Anvit is with us now. Anvit, tell us more.
Yes, the Army Chief has arrived at the CDS's residence. We are right outside the residence. This is just half an hour after Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, left this house after apprising the family of the latest details of the incident. Now, our Chief of Army Staff has entered the house. We believe that he'll also be meeting the family members. Now, followed by Rajnath Singh, he's meeting the family members of CDS Vipin Rawat. So, he would also be telling them about the latest situation, what the situation is there at the hospital where the bodies and the injured have been shifted to after the unfortunate incident. We believe that he'll be talking to 6 to 7 relatives who have dropped in so far in government as well as in private vehicles. A short while ago, a vehicle of the Air Force had also come in wherein a uniformed officer was sitting with a woman. Woman, however, was not uniformed, so we believe that there were some family friends or maybe someone concerned about the family who had come to meet the family after Rajnath Singh left the house. Now, it's just been a minute, not even a minute, when the Chief of Army Staff has entered CDS's house. He'll be meeting the family now, and we can expect a statement from maybe from the Defence Minister shortly, because both the officers, including Chief of Army Staff and Rajnath Singh, the Defence Minister, have visited the family. There are at least 7 to 8 family members who are already present here, who have, more and more people are dropping in. Many of the family members have come here. We tried to speak to them, but they have not been talking, because they are saying that they are also waiting for any formal information about the situation from the side. If you talk about the spot where we are standing right now, you can see the entire residence has been barricaded. Area has been cordoned. The army personnel and police officials who are present here, they have put a barricade in front of the house, which only is removed when a vehicle probably of Rajnath Singh or some dignitary like the Chief of Army Staff enters the house. A rope has also been put to keep the media as well as people of general public restricted, and so no one comes in the path of the vehicles that are entering the house back to back. More and more people are dropping in. Presence of army staff, army officials, military police as well as Delhi police has been increased.
All right. So after the Defence Minister who came for a brief meet to brief the family about just under an hour ago for 10 minutes, now the Army Chief General M.M. Naravane, who's come back to the national capital just today, a short while ago actually, after being asked by the Defence Minister, has also come to the CDS's home to brief the family. I'm not sure if Arunima is still with us. If she is, let me go across to her to understand what we know of, who amongst the CDS's immediate family, Arunima, is there currently, because unfortunately both the CDS and wife were in that chopper.
Yes, so both the CDS and his wife were, part of that journey that they were undertaking. But his other members of his family are present at his residence, and I think that's why first the Raksha Mantri and now the Army Chief have gone there. The Raksha Mantri's visit was, of course, very short, and now the Army Chief also, after rushing back from Mao and after briefing the Raksha Mantri, he has also gone there. Now, we've been repeatedly asking South Block if there was any word that they could share about the CDS's health and also the health of his wife. They're saying the only official word you will hear from South Block will come when the Raksha Mantri speaks in Parliament. However, like I was telling you earlier, the protocol that is followed, where if there is any confirmed information, then the family is taken into confidence. That protocol will be followed here too, and I think that gives you an understanding and a sense as to why first the Raksha Mantri and now the Army Chief have gone to the CDS's residence there, just so that they don't hear first from television channels or from social media about the state of affairs. Whatever information is available, that is being shared with the family members. The problem is that the information itself is very sketchy. Like we have been discussing, the state of the bodies there, those who have succumbed, and even those who had survived the crash, it wasn't good at all. And we are still waiting to know what happened to those 3 who were taken to the hospital. Like the South Block officials have been telling us, the information as it is trickling in, whatever the local district administration and the doctors have been sharing with South Block, as per protocol, that information is being passed on to the families as well.
What we're also getting to know is that Rajnath Singh has now left South Block. We'll try and get more on, what possibly we can, he would be doing next. There was some speculation he could go to Coonoor, but I think the Army Chief is likely to go to the Coonoor now. But let me go across to Group Captain MJ Vinod once again. Sir, I'm sorry I had to cut you short. You were describing exactly the protocol of how the families will be informed, whatever the information may be. We don't know.
Yeah, so the senior most of the available person there of of the deceased unit, he is the person who is supposed to go and inform. That is the protocol. So, as far as other members are concerned, we have a clear-cut lineage. What happens to General Rawat? So that the person who is above him is Rajnath Ji. So that is why this is taking time. And when RM has to come and speak, he, like someone correctly covered, he has to have 100% information.
Yes, absolutely.
Identified and correct. So which is why probably is taking time. A, B, before it comes out in public, him coming on the floor and talking about it is almost like giving out a media brief, because media is also going to see it live. Before that, all next of kin would be informed. So that is the correct and the laid down procedure to inform about the deceased to the next of kin. But fact is, Rajnath Ji is going to come and speak on the floor. That is an important quote unquote fact. So that is something we don't have to read between the lines. It is absolutely open and shut.
No, absolutely.
But the question that you asked, the lineage. See, he was the first CDS, and rightly so, the senior most. Now, that the first among equals is what CDS is. First among equals is General Narwani. So he will most likely, in my opinion, should take over as CDS, and he should take over ASAP. Even if General Rawat is injured with burns, because as it is, he was going to retire in some time to come.
Okay.
Because of the challenges that the country faces today.
Yes, absolutely.
Both from the northern side and from the western side. And this is the time we are talking about crash, we are talking about people who perished in this crash, etc., etc. What we should not lose sight of is that some people could take advantage of this situation. So that all the 3 chiefs, all the 3 services, Coast Guard, these people will be completely alive to this situation. They will straight away go up, the security level will straight away go up one notch up. So the chiefs and the chiefs of staff, the CNCs, as they call the army commanders, they will all have their hands full, and probably the entire
You point out
night
an important dimension, because